this video, I'm going to share with you the health benefits of introducing intermittent fasting into your lifestyle. Hi there, my name is Dhaliwal. I'm a women's health and wellbeing coach, and I help 40 plus women learn how to adopt a healthier way of managing their health and wellbeing without getting stuck on that yo-yo dieting cycle. So in this video today, I'm going to go over 8 of the top benefits of introducing fasting into your lifestyle. And we're going to start off with number 1, which is burn fat and lose weight. And this is one of the popular reasons why a lot of people decide to introduce some form of fasting into their lifestyle, because they actually want to lose weight or burn fat. And that's one of the reasons why it's quite popular in the media at the moment as well, because intermittent fasting is known to be very effective when it comes to losing weight and inches. Now, number 2, fasting will lower insulin. So it will keep those insulin levels stable, which is exactly what we want. And it's really, really important. And I actually think this is something that a lot of people don't really talk about. They don't understand that with intermittent fasting, you will keep those insulin levels quite stable. And you could do this by not eating as frequently. And obviously that's what intermittent fasting is. But if you keep your fasts quite long, then you will really, really benefit even more so. Benefit 3 is that longer intermittent fasting or fasting disciplines will actually stimulate human growth hormone, HGH. So this is beneficial again for our health and well-being, and to, with muscle gain as well. Because a lot of us will find that we are very depleted as we get older in this particular hormone. Now, to fully get the benefits of this, you need to start fasting for longer. So I would say anything a 17-hour fast or so. Benefit number 4 is that fasting has shown to lower blood pressure. So this is a great benefit, especially if you have got a little bit of an issue with your blood pressure. So it's great for that as well. Number 5, intermittent fasting will help with cellular repair and cellular rejuvenation. So the longer you fast, you'll get more benefits where your body will go into a state where it starts actually cleaning its own cell. And this is called autophagy. So the body becomes very efficient in renewing old cells. And this again has many, many benefits. Again, this is something that a lot of people don't really understand when it comes to fasting, that the benefits go a lot more deeper. And having a renewal of cells, cell rejuvenation, is actually in fact an anti-aging method. It's going to keep you looking great. So if you fast longer, we will fire off autophagy, which is great to be able to really flush out the toxins out of our body and just feel great about ourselves. The benefits are huge. And number 6, fasting reduces the risk of disease. So such diseases as obesity and other chronic diseases such as dementia, it is really, really effective. So that's another benefit that really only fasting will actually stimulate. And number 7, one of the other fasting benefits, as mentioned before, is anti-aging. And that alone is huge. I mean, the skincare industry and the beauty industry is massive. They make so much money. And you could actually start doing your own, looking after your own skin by doing fasting and stimulating the autophagy, that skin renewal, skin cell regeneration. So fasting has many, many natural benefits. And obviously, the skincare and the beauty industry do not want you to know about fasting because it's free. And women spend so much money, and men, on potions and lotions and supplements and all sorts of things to keep their skin looking good. So I would say to you, try and give fasting a go. Introduce it into your lifestyle. Make a note of how your skin feels. And finally, fasting, as already discussed, will stimulate and boost metabolism. Your metabolic rate will go up. It's amazing for weight loss. And actually, as mentioned before in the previous videos, introducing fasting into my lifestyle has completely changed not only me as physically, but mentally as well. So this is something I would highly recommend. If you do feel like you are struggling with your weight, then I would say to you, introduce fasting into your lifestyle. Give it a go. But it's really important, if you are going to introduce intermittent fasting into your lifestyle, that you do go and get some advice, especially if you are carrying a lot of weight. And if you're pregnant or are a young child, highly not recommended. But obviously, if you're reasonably healthy, then you can introduce small fasts into your lifestyle straight away. And the benefits will be massive. But like anything in life, you will need to actually stick to it for a while to be able to actually see the difference in what it's having on your body. So give it a go. And if you would like to book in a coaching call with me, which is completely free, then have a look at the links down below. You can apply to book in with a one-to-one coaching call with me. Thank you for watching. See you soon. So if you would like to learn a little bit more about intermittent fasting, then do check out some of the videos here.